Okay, Barracuda fans, 68 Formula S in Ember Gold, came out of the Denver area. Real deal, numbers match engine, automatic, 355 suregrip. This car won the Concours d'Elegance at Lake Mirror in 2023, just a few short months ago. And just a really, beautiful car. Correct black knobs for 68. Remarkably well done. Very high-end restoration. This was the first year for the 340 engine from Chrysler. It was a game changer for them on the small block scene. You know, just a quantum leap forward from the 273 hypo engine. But just as clean and neat as can be. And woof, says the 340. Anyway, there you have it, Barracuda fans. This is Gauze Garage, Venice, Florida. Thank you.